Welcome! Today we're going to be making 3 crafts that are only about $3 each. Alright, so I got my supplies at the dollar store, and yeah, let's get started. So I have these summer LED lanterns. I have some spider webs with spiders in there. I have these goblets. I have some, they call them mini buckets, but they're really mini cauldrons. I have some eyeballs. They look like ping pong balls, but they're eyeballs. And I have some little bones. Alrighty, I'm going to start off with the easiest craft. If you really want to keep it under $3, because I know dollar stores aren't really $3 anymore, you could just get this and this. But I'm going to go ahead and put them in both. Anyway, so basically, I call this the Eyes on Me goblet. So all you gotta do is put some eyeballs in there. You could do one, or you could split it between the two. Alrighty, so that's my first easy craft. Probably takes 3 minutes or less. Bam. Awesome. Put that to the side for now. The next one I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and make these little cauldrons. Again, if you want to stick to the $3 or less, you could just get this and this. If you want to get a little crazy and add some other spooky things, you could get the bones to have those stick out. That could be fun too. It's up to you, but I'll show you. Okay, so we open up our little open up our cauldrons. This makes several, so you could even give these as little gifts or, party favors. They're super cute. Okay. I really love the spider webs from the dollar store because they really kind of look like a witch's brew color. So I really think it makes it look kind of like witch's brew, which is really cool. So I'm going to open that up. Okay. And you could take some of this and put it in there. You could cut some. See, there's a spider already in there. That's the cool thing. You already have your little spiders. Woohoo! Super easy. So you could have it go over the side if you want, right? You could glue your spider down. You could have some of it going off the edge. Okay, I'm gonna switch it to the other side. There. If you want the spider webs to go over the edge, that's fine. So that's a super easy, cute cauldron. Keep the spider webs away from pets and kids because they're very stringy. Alrighty, so here we have our bones. So you could have them sticking out. I just love that. So cool. Look at that. It's sticking right out. I just think that's so cool. You can also add a little bit of metallic paint to the accents on the cauldron to make it really stand out. But yeah, that's the witch's brew one. As you can see, I'm starting with my LED lanterns, taken off the tag, and I've actually popped off the bottom and slid off the LED light, because we're going to want to put the LED lights to the side for now so that we don't get paint on them. And what we're going to do is we're going to start off by painting this completely black, inside and out. Afterwards, we could go ahead over with a light brush and we could decide to do the metallic silver or gold depending on your decorations. So I'm going to go ahead and paint these black. Alrighty, so I did one layer and you could see a little bit of the green coming through, so I'm going to let it dry and do a second layer. In the meantime, I'm going to use this opportunity to go ahead and play with these candles just a little bit. I really love it when people do that cool drip on the side, so I'm going to do that and hope for the best. So basically, we're just going to go ahead and make drips all along the edges. Okay, so my candles have all the cool drips on them, and what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go ahead and put a black layer on them. Then I can go ahead and put some silver on there as an accent, which I think would be cool. And I got to go back and do a second layer on these as well. So here we go, candle. Okay, so I've got good news and bad news. The good news is I did a neat job with this candle, and I thought I'd painted silver. The bad news is I forgot that these are supposed to slide through, and now they don't slide through anymore. So the way to fix that, if you accidentally make the mistake, is either to glue it on top of the base, which would also be fine. It's just you have a little bit of edge there. Or you could go ahead and replace it with just one of these dollar store black candles. So you could just go with a regular black candle. To avoid this problem, start with the candle in the square base And put your drips along the side. That way, if they run over onto the square base, no problem, your square base will still fit into the bottom of the lantern. Just to make it look a little rustic. Alrighty, so there it is. That's our whole setup. We have our lanterns with our candles in there, and we have our cauldron with the spider webs. You could either have a spider or the bones. I also added some metallic paint to the cauldron and draped the eyeballs and the goblet with some more spider webs. Super spooky. If you like this video, click like, hit subscribe, and check back for some more cool craft videos. Thank you for watching!